Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your videos and make your skin smoother with CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. You just have to open up the CapCut application and add the video where you would like to make your skin smoother. After that, you just have to tap on the video and a long menu is going to appear on the bottom of the screen where you have to tap on Retouch. In this menu, select the Face Retouch option and select Retouch in this menu, which is going to be the first one. And you can make your skin smoother by tapping on Smooth and using this slider. As you can see, it makes the skin a lot smoother. You can also use the Even feature, which makes the color of your skin more even. But with the Smooth slider, you can make it as smooth or as little as you wish. So if this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation. Bye bye.